Hello, and welcome back to Home and Kitchen, where we bring professional-grade tools into your everyday life. Today, we're diving into the TENKER Espresso machine with grinder, a 20-bar, all-in-one stainless steel powerhouse designed to deliver barista-quality lattes, cappuccinos, americanos, and even cold brew iced coffee, right from your countertop. Let's break it down step by step. If you find this product appealing, it is available for purchase at the most competitive price through the link provided in the description. Thank you for your consideration. First, the all-in-one design. This isn't just an espresso machine, it's a complete coffee station. Inside, you'll find a built-in conical burr grinder with 30 precise grind settings. Pair that with one-touch brewing for hot espresso, cold espresso, or americano, and the machine automatically doses single or double shots. No guesswork. No scales. Just consistency. Extraction is where this machine shines. A 1350-watt, 20-bar Italian pump works alongside PID temperature control for shot stability within 1 degree. Pre-infusion gently blooms the puck before full pressure, pulling layered, aromatic shots with that signature golden crema. Whether you're using freshly roasted beans or pre-ground, the results rival your local cafe. Now, milk-based drinks. The commercial-style steam wand delivers powerful, dry steam for microfoam, perfect for latte art or silky cappuccinos. It's intuitive. Press the steam button, turn the knob fully down, and you're frothing in seconds. The included stainless steel pitcher and tamper mean you're ready out of the box. Practicality matters. The 61-ounce removable water tank means fewer refills, even during weekend brunch. The LED display shows real-time heating progress, and the compact footprint, just 13 inches wide, fits neatly under most cabinets. A quick tip from the manual, always start with the steam knob in the OFF position. Once the heating bar is full, open the knob fully downward for hot water. For steam, hit the steam button first, then open the knob. Simple, but precise. Let's taste. Rich body, bright acidity, zero bitterness. The cold brew function extracts slowly under pressure, think bold, smooth, and refreshingly iced. Peace of mind? A 12-month warranty and dedicated technical support come standard. Every component, from the portafilter baskets to the drip tray, is designed for easy cleaning. The TENKER Espresso machine with grinder isn't just a coffee maker, it's a daily ritual upgrade. If you're ready to ditch the coffee shop line and craft cafe-quality drinks at home, this all-in-one stainless steel system delivers. Thank you for watching Home and Kitchen. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell for more elevated home essentials. See you in the next one.